Your shower hose is leaking, and it's not just a minor inconvenience. But here's where it gets controversial. A simple 12-pound fix could save you a fortune, and you can do it in just 15 minutes. That's right, no more wasting 50 liters of water and 80 pounds down the drain. The tiny split in your hose is a ticking time bomb. While it may seem insignificant, it's a gateway to bigger problems. Cold weather leads to longer showers and higher bills, but many overlook the hissing and spraying of a damaged hose. Retailers and plumbers agree, a quick replacement is often all it takes. Rising bills and tiny leaks are a dangerous duo. A punctured hose isn't just a nuisance, it's a cash drain. A pinhole leak can waste tens of liters daily, and heating that water costs a pretty penny. Over time, this can lead to limescale, mold, and damaged walls. The cost of a leaky hose is shocking. Heating 50 liters of water from 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius consumes 1.7 kilowatt-hours of energy. On an electric shower, that's about 43 p a day, adding up to 80 pounds in 6 months. And that's not including water charges. Scenario: fine mist from a pinhole, 20 to 30 liters wasted, costing 17-26 p daily, or 31 to 47 pounds in 6 months. Thin jet to the side, 40 to 60 liters, 34-51 p daily, and 61 to 92 pounds over 6 months. Split at the ferrule, a massive 80 to 120 liters, 68 p-pound 1.02 daily, totaling 122 to 183 pounds in half a year. Spot the signs before it's too late. Fine spray hitting walls or glass during a shower. White crust around the hose ends, indicating limescale and leaks. Whistling or sizzling noises from pressure escaping. Puddles where the hose loops, even after short showers. Stiff kinks and flattened coils twisting the tube when moving the handset. Why do hoses fail? Hard water, twisting, heavy handsets, drops, and harsh chemicals all contribute. But the good news? You don't need tools to fix it. A 15-minute tool-free fix. Modern shower hoses have standard half-an-inch British Standard Pipe (BSP) threads designed for hand tightening. No spanners needed. Gather your supplies. New hose, anti-twist, right length. 2 new rubber washers. Dry cloth or microfiber for grip. Towel to catch drips. Step-by-step guide. 1. Turn off the shower and isolation valve. 2. Unscrew the hose nuts by hand, using the cloth if slippery. 3. Remove old washers, insert new ones into the new hose. 4. Thread the hose onto the mixer, then the handset, gently by hand. 5. Hand tighten, then a slight nip with fingers. Over-tightening risks future leaks. Test and prevent future leaks. 1. Turn on the valve or shower at low flow. 2. Check for leaks at both ends and tighten gently if needed. 3. Test again at normal settings. If dripping, reseat the washer. Prolong the life of your new hose. Hang it straight after use, avoiding showerhead traps. Choose anti-twist models to prevent tube winding. Rinse with warm water, avoiding harsh chemicals. Descale the showerhead monthly to reduce hose stress. Maintain bathroom temperatures above dew point. Cost-saving potential. Standard 1.5 m hose, 8 to 15 pounds, lasting 2 to 4 years. Anti-twist, anti-limescale hose, 15 to 30 pounds, lasting 3 to 6 years. Half-an-inch washer pack, 2 to 4 pounds for spares. A 30-pound investment can save you months of wasted water costs. Electric shower users and peak-rate tariff households can recoup costs in weeks. Gas-heated systems save more gradually, but still reduce damp and maintenance issues. When a quick fix becomes a bigger repair. If the nut won't budge, limescale may be the culprit. Warm water and patience usually help. A seized or corroded mixer outlet may require a new adapter or valve attention. Internal leaks, staining, or hissing when the shower is off indicate cartridge or valve issues. Address these before installing a new hose. Stretch your savings further. Add-on 1, fit a flow-limiting handset. Reduce hot water use by a third with an 8 liters per minute model, without sacrificing shower quality. Add-on 2, calculate your daily savings. Multiply shower minutes by flow rate to find liters. A 10 liters per minute shower for 8 minutes uses 80 liters. A 20% reduction saves 32 liters daily, or 98 pounds annually on electric heat. Small changes, big impact. A good hose, desk-led head, and lower flow rate reduce energy and water bills. Renters can keep the old parts and restore them before moving. Homeowners, consider a logbook for hose and washer replacements to catch leaks early. Safety first, test new connections with warm water, standing aside initially. A misaligned washer can create a sharp jet. Adjust, tighten by hand, and enjoy a stress-free, steamy shower.